We are back, and I know I took a bit of a YouTube hiatus. The people keeping up with my social media know that I've been working at RTR and been to different events around the country, which has been amazing. I went to RTR to learn and win a championship, and we did both of those things. So my time there was fantastic. It's a really great team. I've met some friends that I will keep for a lifetime. And honestly, I think they've changed my life in some of the ways that I want to do things. The real reason was I needed to save up some money so I could buy my own space. And I think that's something that I was working towards for a long time. And it was kind of in the back of my head that was driving me crazy. I was always borrowing stuff. I was borrowing a shop. I was borrowing tools. And I think that really held me back as far as what I want to do and what I want to build. And now I have my own space. So I believe that the time off was very necessary in that I have this space now and I can build whatever I want. I don't have to stick to any time restraints. I don't have to build what I don't want to build. Everything is on me here. So coming up, we'll be building out this shop, and I'm definitely welcome to ideas. If you guys have anything, ideas for organization, what tools you use, please comment below, send me links. I'm open to all of it as I want to build this shop into my dream space. As I'm building out the shop, I'm gonna have to work on these cars. I have a bunch of events coming up like TogeCon, No Star Bash, and another Drift Appalachia. So the cars are not ready, they're all broken. And those events are coming up very quickly, so I have to fix cars, upgrade cars, and get back on track so I can hit these events. And then I also have some new builds coming up. One of the builds you can see right here, that will be coming up in the future. And then I also have a new sport that I want to get into. And I don't know, maybe I'm crazy for trying it out. I hope you guys will follow along with me because I think it's gonna be crazy. It's something I'm passionate about. I'm new to it. It's something that I know nothing about. So I want you to learn with me. I haven't seen much information about it, and it's gonna be a tough learning experience. I definitely want to take you along for that journey. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it works out. I might be horrible at it. But drifting's going nowhere. I'm a lifer. Like, I have dedicated a lot of my life to drifting, and it is my #1 passion. So the cars will be getting upgraded. I don't know, I might even build another drift car because I want to drive everything, to be honest. So I'm very excited to show off some new builds, the new space, and new sport. I hope you guys follow along because it's going to be an experience for sure. It's going to be an all new experience to me. I'm going to be uploading as much as I possibly can. It is just me in the shop, so I'll be working as hard as I can. I have events coming up quickly, so I might not be able to film absolutely everything as I have to race my timeline to get these cars done for these events. So I will be doing some more event content, some more build content, and definitely building out the shop. For those of you that are already subscribed, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, comment, notification bell. All of that really helps me. And I'm very excited to bring back this channel with a lot more energy and a lot more excitement for my own builds and new projects. Please follow along because I have a lot coming up. And thank you guys for watching. A fly already? On the camera? That's gonna be annoying. Get out of here, dude. Is that a fly on my hat? Fly on my hat? Did I get it? Sick. So I'm excited to be back. Oh, I got him. Fucking fly, dude. Got him. Doop, 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 doop. Hey!